Hi, welcome to Plaiwoo. Today, I'll show you in under 2 minutes how Häfele can transform the functionality of your cabinets and furniture. Let's get started. Häfele is one of the world leaders in furniture hardware. Their products stand out for durability, smooth motion, and intelligent design, perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, closets, and office spaces. If you're looking for comfort, Häfele's soft close and push-to-open systems make every movement smooth, silent, and modern. Their lift-up systems are great for maximizing space, especially in smaller kitchens. Häfele also offers smart organizers that elevate your daily routine, from cutlery trays to pull-out systems that use every inch of space. You can even add LED lighting for a professional look. Most Häfele products are easy to install and compatible with different cabinet types, making them ideal for DIY projects or professional remodels. At Plaiwoo, you'll find a premium selection of Häfele products to upgrade your projects. High quality, fast shipping, and expert support. Visit plaiwoo.com to explore more. If you enjoyed this guide, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more home improvement content. See you in the next video.